Good morning. Today's class is going to be phonics, and our phonics class is double consonants. To remember, the vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. The rest of the letters in English are called consonants. So when I say double consonant, it means I will write the consonant letter in my word two times. Double consonant is said as a single sound. So when I say the word grill, I have to say the L as if it is only one. I don't have to say it twice. So I don't say it as grill. I say it grill. So double consonant is said only one single sound, not two. The same as snapping, snapping. If I cut the word snapping into syllables, it will be snap, ping. It has two syllables. And notice that in each syllable there is a vowel. The vowel in the first syllable is the A. The vowel in the second syllable is the I. You have to know something. When you cut any word that has double consonant, you divide the word into syllables between those letters. It means each letter repeated is going to be on a syllable. The P, the first one, on a syllable, the second P on another syllable. Examples. Lesson, less, son. Puppet, pup, pet. Muffin, muff, fin. The first S on the first syllable, the second S on the second syllable, the same as the P in puppet, the same as the F in muffin. Spelling words that we have to know are tomorrow, written, offer, current, borrow, bottle, suffer, lettuce, matter, bubble, different, ridden, slippers, saddle, rabbit, odd, grasshopper, shudder, worry, and hobby. The verbs written and ridden are the past participle of the verb write and the verb ride. So, write, wrote, written, ride, rode, written. And both verbs have double consonants, the T, the D. Offer. Offer means when you go shopping, for example, and you find this sign that says buy two get one free. It is when I provide you with something extra. Or when you go to buy something like Adidas, there is a special offer. So when you pay money at the end, there will be 25% off. McDonald's always make for us offers. So when you buy one meal, you get the second one for free. Current. Current means of the present time. I'm talking about an issue or an event that is happening on our time in the present. How did your life change with the current issues happen all over the world? So we can say that the fact that the coronavirus that is occurring in our days is a current event or a current issue that is happening all over the world. Borrow. Borrow means to get or receive something from someone else, and you have to pay attention that you have to give it back after a period of time, like when you borrow books from the library. Suffer. Suffer when I experience a pain, like physical pain when I am sick, or mental pain. He suffers with the flu. Of course, you all know the lettuce, which is kind of vegetables. Slippers. Slippers are a type of comfortable and soft shoes. Saddle. Saddle is the leather seat that we put on the horse. Odd. But if I'm talking about the behavior, it means when you act in a different or unexpected way. You're always behaving in a good way with others, and one time you were not that good, so we did not expect this behavior. Your behavior was odd. Grasshopper. Grasshopper is kind of large insect. Shudder. Shudder means when you shake, either because of fearness, because you're sick, because you're feeling cold. Matter. Matter is a situation you're dealing with, like a problem or something happening with you. Could I tell you about my personal matter? Now let's go back to talk about the main matter. Bubble. Bubbles are balls of gas that appear in a liquid and they float on the air. Worry. Worry is a feeling when you're thinking about a problem or things might happen, and mostly these things are not good, so you're not feeling comfortable, you're feeling worried. Hobby. Hobby is an activity that someone does in his free time, and mostly not all of the people can do the same hobby as you. Not all of the people can draw, for example, not all of the people can swim, and so on. Review vocabulary. I want you to revise the vocabs again, read them again, ask me if you have any question. Your lesson will be on Reader's Notebook page 331. You can find all of the work uploaded on Edmodo. Here is the page. Now your homework will be from number 1 to 10, and from 11 to 20 we'll do them together right now. So, missing words, you have to complete each sentence by writing a list word. And the words you have to use are the words odd, borrow, current, written, bubble, matter, suffer, hobby, different, and worry. Number 1, I'll give a few seconds for each one to think of the answer before I say it, so you have a chance to think of your answer. Please don't about the spilled milk. Please don't. Please don't worry about the spilled milk. May I your extra raincoat? May I borrow your extra raincoat? My cat was behaving in a rather odd manner. Do you have the issue on this magazine? Do you have the current issue on this magazine? Every person is in his or her own way. Every person is different in his or her own way. Building model cars is my grandfather's and you, of course, a new hobby. My father continues to with the flu. Since he is sick, so he is suffering, so my father continues to suffer with the flu. Now, we can get down to the heart of the matter. Now, we can get down to the heart of the matter. I have never such a tall horse. I have never ridden such a tall horse. My friends like to see who can blow the biggest. Of course, it is bubble. Here are the answers. And here is your homework. I'll upload it on Edmodo so you can do it right now.